It's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wig. These is some leg trinkets that I made a while back to go with this outfit right here, guys. Y'all see this one? I made that I can wear with that. But what I was thinking is that I think I'm gonna go get some more velvet fabric. Let me put this on. And I'm gonna make my version of this one, but I'm gonna use the velvet, the black velvet. And I think it'll be a really good taste. And then here I put spandex like this, spandex like that, spandex, and then but put the stones all over it, like connect these parts, but put stones just like this all over it with the black velvet. And you know, this would be the black velvet. I think that would be tight. And if you guys say I didn't do the back don't have stones on it. The back is going to stay like that, but just more or less take stones going up here, going around here, and going up the leg right here. And I think that this will be tight, guys. I like the sparkle on it. Yes. So I'm going to make my version of this. And then some heels or whatever you want to wear. And then the top will be stoned out as well. Alrighty, guys.